All right, here we are doing Charlie's. I'm gonna do your. Do it. Yeah, let's see. Take it apart, okay?
Okay. Ready? Ready?
Yeah. He can see himself over there. Come back here, okay? There you go. There you turn the drill off.
Wait.
Good work. Get that wheel off. Okay. Wait for just a second, okay? Alright. Do it. Come on.
Go?
Yep.
Daddy, can you hold this?
Yep. Okay. Yeah, good work. The middle off.
Hello. Do you like how much I got?
Yeah, I do.
How will we put these on top of each other?
That's a great idea. You want to take this apart?
I had this good idea.
It's a good idea. I like that.
Hold on to this one
I
now.
don't need to hold on in the back. That one doesn't come loose. Drill off.
What do you think of these?
Okay.
What do we do now, this?
No, we do that one next.
Okay. We need to put the other one in?
Yeah, we put the screwdriver bit in.
Well, maybe some.
There it is.
This one or
Yep.
this one?
This one?
Okay. Down what?
We want it to go up, so we push it up. Drill off.
Can you turn it off? Can you get that out?
Now just pull the whole. There you go. Look at that. All right.
Now that one?
Yeah, pull the whole thing off. Or pull this piece off first. Before you do that, pull this. There you go. Look at that. You can. I'll put it down first. There you go. Turn the drill off. Here, we'll do it this way. Turn the drill off.
Okay.
Turn the drill off. Now put it back in. Put the drill back in. Oh, that came out. Okay. Alright. Good work. Okay.
This one's not going off.
Let's melt. There you go.
Now this one?
Yep.
Okay.
Drill off.
Can we do either one on this one?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, Daddy. Can you turn it for me a little?
Yep.
Turn that for me a little.
Yeah, it doesn't need it. It's all set. Alright, I think that's it.
You have to do it quick so it comes out. Now, how about now? I can.
Then you take the whole black thing off. Yeah. Whoa, look at that. That doesn't come apart. Let's see, it's the way it is. And there, you got all parts.
How can you hear it from there?
That's pretty funny, isn't it, huh? Should we put it back together?
What's the one to take this out? Can we do either one on this?
Yeah. Right here. A little more. Okay.
Okay. Ah, look at it.
Wow, look at that. All apart.
And look at it. Now I can see just, don't you even better now?
Yeah.
Why can you see it even better now?
Because it's tough to see, but when it's in here.
Another
Now,
argument for the patio.
once the guys come looking at, once the guys look at me and they see what I did.
Really?
Once the
Yeah.
firemen come look at me and they see what I did.
They're going to want you to
fire.
come be a fire. Well, they aren't going to be happy about their fire truck, are they?
And what are they going to put me in?
They could put you in jail.
Why?
Because they aren't happy about the way you took their fire truck apart. Alright,
Daddy, do we put this in?
yeah.
I want to do this again.
Alright, put it back together. Alright, here we go.
I don't really want this one in anymore.
Okay,
I will do it because I want it too.
okay.
And do we turn this a little?
Yeah, turn it a little bit. And use your drill. Turn the other way. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good night. Now you can get your drill.
Okay. Can we do either one on it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do we do that one if you want it to go down?
Yes, we do. There we go. Okay. Now let's put this piece on.
Master fireman, see what I'm doing now.
Yeah, we were super happy, really.
Well,
Let me get
how
that
about
piece
you
up.
put that one
Alright,
on?
let me get this one started. Alright, we'll turn it over. We'll put first that one.
Do we need this one in?
I think we need a medium one. We'll try
Medium one?
Yeah,
This one?
that's a long one.
This one?
Yeah,
This one?
yep.
Okay. Can we do either one?
Yep.
Okay. Turn it a little?
No, you don't need to turn low.
Well, the firemen see what I'm doing now.
They're going, whoa.
Were they going to be happy?
Yeah, they're going to be happy putting it. Now get the big blue piece.
This one?
Yeah, yeah, the big blue piece. Where's the big blue piece?
Right there.
There it is. Okay. Now you get a long, or no,
This one.
a medium red
This-
one.
this
Medium bolt, yep.
This one?
Yep.
Okay. Can we do either one?
Nope.
Do we have to do it the other one?
You have to use the screwdriver.
This one?
Yep.
Down. Up or down?
Down. Okay. Very good. Now we'll do.
Now little fireman say now.
Yeah, they're feeling a lot better. That's for sure. Now get
Why
the.
are they gonna feel a lot better now?
Well, because their fire truck's getting put back together. Get the long white thing.
This one?
The long. There you go. And then get all the yellow pieces. Okay.
What is that?
I think there's one over there by you. Not the real yellow pieces, but the. There you go. All right, that's all we need. Now, get both those pieces put in there.
You do it kind of loud.
It's a tricky one, isn't it? We do that one. We do that one. And
Put
do
that
that
in.
one. Okay, now we get a nice long one.
This
Do we?
one?
Is that a nice long? Uh oh, do we? Yeah, that's right. Now, do we do it in there or do we do it in there?
There.
That's right. Okay.
Can we do either one?
Nope.
Only this one?
Only that one.
Okay.
Good work.
Now we'll let the pieces stay together.
Yeah. Now you get the other blue piece.
Get a blue piece.
Yeah. Then you put that one in there.
Can you put it?
Then you gotta get lined up. When we get lined up for you. All right, and then you put the bolt in, and then you'll be done. Well, not entirely, but you. So you get the bolt and put the red bolt in.
This one?
Yeah.
The one?
Yep.
Can we do just this one?
Just that one. Yeah.
This one's kind of tough one.
Okay. Yeah.
Now,
Good.
will
Wow.
we be even happy with this
Yeah,
time?
I think so. I think we will. Getting real close. Perfect. Look at that. You did it.
Now just the wheels.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this again. We need to put this in.
Yep, we do. You may want to hold the bottom piece. There you go. That one's done.
Now, will the firemen say happy now?
They're getting better. They're getting real happy.
Now I'm playing it again.
That wouldn't be good. They'd be real happy, unhappy about that, wouldn't they? I think you let your brother Jack borrow this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's a little tired. You need to hold it on the bottom one, and the back one. Okay? Couple more wheels and be all done.
Baby,
And one wheel to go. This is exciting.
how much do they prove now? Like
Yeah.
500?
Well, probably, yeah. But you're all done.
I'm gonna break it apart again.
All right.
Let's do it again.
What are you gonna be when you grow up?
I'm what you are.
Yeah, well, I don't know if that's too exciting, but
I want to be a daddy when I
you want to be a daddy? Yeah. Well, I hope you have a boy who's as wonderful as my two boys.
I want to do this again.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, it's about time for bed.
I want to do it again.
I wish we could, but it's almost 9 o'clock and your brother's already sound asleep. And Daddy is yawning something fierce.
I want to do it again.
Yeah, we'll do it in the morning though, okay? Yeah, all right. Say goodbye to everyone. Ah.
Are you going to go to sleep now?
I think I am.
What are they doing now?
Yeah.
Are they gonna get the fire?
I think they are.
Oh, I'm gonna put. What will I see in the morning if I break it again?
I don't think they'd be real happy. What do you think?
Are they happy because I fixed the fire truck?
I think so.
Can the two firemen get back in the fire truck?
Yeah, I think they can.
And what are they gonna say? What if one person goes in death and he falls out?
That wouldn't be very fun, would it?
What if the two firemen didn't see that other fireman he ran over there?
Whoa. Whoa, that'd be like wacky one doing it.
What if there was this one more fireman and that one more fireman went over that fireman and this car went by itself and that fireman got one over?
Whoa.
That'd be so sad.
That would be.
Why?
That just would be.
You need to have firefighters.
Yes, you do.
I don't need to have firefighters in the war.
Because if the house catches on fire, you want them to come put the house out so it doesn't burn to the ground.
And my father fireman got dead.
Whoa, that'd be really bad.
And with the house burn out, burn out, burn out, burn out, burn out, burn
Good?
out.
Yeah, good.
Why?
Do you remember when we were in the apartment in Minnesota and there was smoke in the garage?
Yeah.
Yeah, how did that happen?
You tell me.
I don't remember.
The motorcycle man.
Oh, the motorcycle
What
man.
did he do?
He was
Was
burning
he
his...
a naughty one?
Oh, yes, he was. He was burning his tires in the garage. And,
Why?
well, he was just being naughty. And then...
I know. I thought me.
yeah, we had to go outside in November, and it was kind of cold. Happily, it was pretty warm for November, but gosh, that was like 15 or 16 months ago. All right.
Oh.